Welcome, beaches. Come on, beach.
Welcome, beaches.
Welcome, beaches. We just got the keys and we're ready to rumble. So I got some mud, I got some sanding, we're gonna sand, and right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take all of these we're just gonna pop these off. They're just like these things. They're just little moldings with little tiny nails. So as Julian demonstrates a minute now, you just pop them out of the wall and we will discard them. Yeah. So Julian's gonna do that while I run to my car and grab some stuff. Yay! Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. First day here. Let's get to getting. Okay, so we have paint. This is the outside color from our last store. And I'm gonna swatch it. I'm a baby. Okay. Ellen, I can't. Watch him like.
It's not, do you think I'm just like Robocock or something?
Yes.
It's soaked stuff though.
No. That's not exaggerating. We should add glitter. I should go get pink glitter. It's in the truck. Don't look at me like that. You know I'm right.
I don't know if you ever ranked.
Yeah, so we have this color. I'm gonna see if it rocks my world. We're gonna try out the glitter though. I'm gonna go get it. So I have this little cup that you kind of like put on your. I'm just kidding. So I have this. I'm gonna put a little bit of paint and a little bit of glitter. Put it on the wall, let it dry, and see if we like it. And by we, I mean me, because I run the show.
You do?
I'm gonna go get glitter. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 tests. The purple on this is. Whoa, it's so pretty. Look at this. Can you see it? That is so pretty.
I'm glad you kept this though.
I want this on the walls. That's what I want on the walls. Okay, I think I'll go good. Okay, so I'm just gonna like mix it a little bit. It's been a while since it's been open. It's so pretty. Aww. I just keep looking at that purple and that green and dying inside. So this is refreshing. Okay, so I'm gonna just get a little bit into here. Like that much is fine. And then I wanna do gold hollow. This is pink and green shift iridescent. And this is fine pink hollow. So I'm gonna try these 3 in the swatch. So I'm just gonna do a little pinch because it's not that much paint. I can't even see. Babe, will you hold this up like this? Please? Thank you. Okay. A little pinch. If you think you have the greatest husband in the world, you're wrong. I do.
You just tell that I was the greatest husband, now you dish me again on the same camera. Love me.
Okay, this is the iridescent. Oh, it's so pretty. Yay, the glitter has begun. This is the first trace of glitter that this store is seeing. Just kidding, there was glitter all over this. Oh my god. And then, I don't like to mix the glitters. A little bit of pink. Like a little bit. Then we're gonna mix it up. See, I'm super skeptical.
That was good English.
This is the best English. Skeptical about glitter paint. Because it's not showing up. Like, none of that glitter is showing up. So we'll do glitter test here. We'll see what happens when it dries. It's not very karate kid of me.
Mm-hmm.
The way I'm painting. It will dry in like 4 minutes. I just don't see the glitter at all.
I want to.
It just looks chunky. Flashlight? Yeah. Is it shining? Is it wet? There. Yes. It is shining. It's wet. They both have the same exact amount of shine. So, let it dry. Let's put up the curtains. So, we need a We got some babies.
Bella.
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 Bella, come here. Bella, come here. Oh. Juju, come say hi. Come say hi.
Okay, what's next?
Say hi. Come here, Bella, say hi. Ugh. What are we gonna do when we have 3? Hi. Hi. The kitties just got here, and how are you doing? Good. How are you doing? I like it. Good. Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna take putty and slap it onto holes. So we decided that it's wallpaper and we hate the texture and we're gonna take it off. Let me show you real close and of course of the texture. So here's the texture. It's like little squares and I'm taking it off. So let's rip it off.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Just chilling. Bella!
What a sweetheart.
Bella!
She decided what we needed.
What you doing back here, Juge? Hi.
Come on, mommy.
No.
Come over and hang out. We're going to have to work tomorrow.
Are we having fun? What are we doing, babe?
We're doing a job that someone I can pay to do.
We can for the next door.
My special.
It's okay.
That's cool. You can just pay
Babe,
me.
it makes it feel more ours, right?
Blood, sweat, and tears.
You're like, no. Bella, stop it. I'm going to share with you my favorite findings after we ripped down the wallpaper. This guy's name is Hanky Fank. He goes. And my husband really is regretting marrying me right now. And this guy's name is the best name that I find in the comments. And he goes, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Best. My husband wants to leave me. Love you, babe.
I love you too.
You look so good with your fancy shoes. I accidentally didn't bring him like sandals.
I got you everything. Just come here.
I just, I did. Okay, so this is where we're ending the night. Day one. Boop. We ripped off the wallpaper. It looks so good. We're doing a test over here. Let me get my shoes on. Boop. Boop is so messy. It's so messy. Okay, so we're doing a test between like keeping the texture of the wallpaper, glue junk, and like sanding it down. And I like that one. We're probably gonna go with that one. And of course we leave a glitter handprint. First day, gotta make our mark. Thanks, Choo Choo.